For some time, many questioned the zoo's purpose for their extra earnings on the cubs. But Mr. Lakshmidiyal told C News on Sunday that they had raised over $100,000 in donations from members of the public who paid their $500 fee to take a photo with the white Bengal tiger cubs. He says the money will now be used to preserve the Manzanilla beach and protect the well-being of the endangered leatherback turtles.
I am glad to say that the money that we collected from the donation that the company have crossed over 100,000 so far is going straight to our project in Manzanilla Beach to protect leatherback turtles.
He says there was a severe cut from the forestry department this year to protect the turtles at the beach, and this additional funding will assist tremendously. Mr. Lakshmidiyal also added that the cubs are getting most of the attention this Easter, and the public's response for these babes is almost overwhelming.
I mean, we draw 3 names, and the person with their immediate family could come in and get a photograph of the cub. We do 3 times daily, and every time we do there's this excitement and anticipation build up in the crowd that they're going to win or not.
This family was one of the lucky few that got the chance to get up close and personal with the cubs through the raffle.
Because it's our first time to do zoo since these cubs were born, and I think I'm very fortunate to get this opportunity to meet with them and get personalized pictures.
Many of the children at the zoo seemed pretty excited to see the cubs. Some literally had no words.
Do you like the tigers?
Yes.
Is this your first time seeing the baby tiger?
No, this is my second time.
So what do you think their name should be?
I think the both of them name could be, I think the first one name could be Jaron and the next one Kaya. They're pretty.
So what do you think they should be named?
Ariel and Simba. They're playful.
And what do you think about them so far?
They're nice.
And this is your sister? Yeah. What's your name?
Kayla.
You like the cubs?
Yes.
What do you think about them?
They're pretty and nice.
I went to see the crocodiles. Me and my cousin Samir.
Why bringing me onto this floor?
The naming competition closed off at the end of March, and the names of the cubs will be revealed soon. Mahalia Joseph, C News.